In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plot CPR in Tradingview, how to set CPR. The Central Pivot Range, or CPR, is a simple session-based framework that traders use to read intraday support, resistance, and potential trend strengths. It plots three core lines: the top of the range, the central pivot, and the bottom of the range. Once you know how to add it and read it, it can quickly anchor your intraday planning. Start by opening your chart in Tradingview. With your chart visible, go to the top toolbar and click the Indicators button, labeled with the FX icon. In the search bar that appears, type CPR. You'll see several community scripts. Choose a well-used option such as CPR by DTT or Simple CPR for intraday. These are popular, maintained by the community, and will immediately draw the CPR lines on your chart once selected. After the lines appear, customize them so they're clear and consistent with your chart theme. To do that, hover over the indicator name at the top left of your chart and click the Settings icon. Here you can change colors, line thickness, and visibility of the individual levels. If the script offers calculation or session options, keep the calculation on daily, since CPR is derived from the prior day's data. And confirm the chart's time zone matches your trading plan. For effective use, view CPR on a lower time frame such as the 5-minute or 15-minute chart when trading intraday. The calculation remains daily, but these timeframes let you see how price reacts around the bands in real time. Notice the width of the range. A narrow CPR means the distance between the top and bottom lines is small, which often precedes a trending day. A wide CPR suggests price may chop sideways within a range. Read price action relative to the bands. If price holds above the top band, the tone is generally bullish. Sustained trade below the bottom band leans bearish. Moves back into the range can signal balance returning, while clear rejections from the bands often act like dynamic support or resistance. Also watch for a concept called a virgin CPR. That's a prior day's CPR that price never touched. Marking that zone on the next session can highlight a level that frequently attracts price or causes a reaction. That's it. Thanks for watching.